All right, we are back with another completed project here. This is another first for us. And as you can see, it is a 2023 Harley Davidson Freewheeler. Yes, you heard us correctly. This is a Freewheeler. It is another one of Harley's trikes. This is built off of, I want to say, like the Road King chassis. So if one of the Harley purists tell me I'm completely wrong, my apologies. You know, we know Indians, not Harleys as well. So this is a good customer of ours. This is his wife's Freewheeler, and he hit us up and he's like, man, she needs some audio. And we're like, all right, cool, we can definitely get you taken care of. And they didn't want to do a Batwing fairing. They may down the road, but the requirements were it look as OEM as possible and didn't take up any more trunk space because she likes to go down and get some groceries in this thing. So let's flip you guys around, show you what we did, how it looks, and then obviously how it sounds. All right, like I said, this is a 2023 Harley Davidson Freewheeler. So as you can see, it's a non-fairing trike. This thing is super cool. It's got reverse. It's got that 114 Harley in there. So what we did is we added the Advon black crash bars with their lowers. These are the vivid black lowers with the speaker pods in the front of them. I really have to say the fit and finish of their crash bars and those speaker pods were absolutely spot on. They had a great fit and finish. And what we went with for speakers is the Cicada CH compression horn 6.5s. And we 3D printed a adapter ring in here. That way the speaker can sit out and flush and clear the magnet in the basket of it. And then we secured the crossover up behind the speaker enclosure. Over here we have our Ampersol quick disconnects right there. And then we ran all the wiring down the backbone. We put our fuse holder down there by the battery. This bike has a standard Harley battery back there underneath the seat as usual. And then we put all the equipment in the trunk. So like I said, the requirement was to take up the least amount of space as possible. So what we did is we 3D printed a amp plate and a DSP plate down here. And we secured our 804 to this plate, secured it to the trunk. All of our wiring runs right through here, goes in our amplifier, RCA's in the other harness. Go down here to our HKI Mini, and then we have our Bluetooth streamer module right here. So if you look at it from the top, there's just a little bit that you lose right here, but overall we try to keep it to where the DSP was behind the locking mechanism. That way it gives her all the trunk space that she could need. Well, now that we showed you the overall build, it is now time to give it a listen and see how she turned out.
Sunshine when she's gone. It's not warm when she's away. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone, and she's always gone too long. Anytime she goes away, wonder this time where she's gone. If she's gone, ain't no sunshine, she's gone. And this house just ain't so cool. Anytime she goes away.
I got an awesome God he raised from heaven above with some power and love. Our God is an awesome God.
Let's go! I like that. I always wanted to flip this joint. All power, he contains it. The man on his own, abandoned the throne of a boat across stainless. Couldn't shake him a derail. 3 nails.
All right, so our customer is on the way to pick up his bike, and I've already talked to him, and he said that neither of them are really big into being on the camera, so I completely respect that. But I could not pass up the opportunity to video this, because this is a little bit out of our norm, but I just wanted to show y'all what some of our capabilities are on some other projects that aren't your everyday. So again, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that maybe if you have one of these, this helps you know what is possible with it. And that if you want to bring your Freewheeler or any other motorcycle that you have down to us here at Davidson Audio, we'd be more than pleased to do it for you. So again, this is Brandon with Davidson Audio, located here in beautiful Panama City, Florida.